Hello everyone, welcome to TechCoderLabz. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to generate chapters. So as you can see on the screen that I have uploaded the video and there are no chapters in the description, and usually that's what the viewers are looking for. Let's say if they want to skip to a given content. So like if you have already uploaded the video or if you already have the video, how would you generate that? So we're gonna use some sort of automation and then AI usage as well. So let's get started. Step number 1, locate your video. In my case, I've already created the video. Now assume that I want to generate the chapters for video 11 that you're looking at the screen. So I have that right over here. As you can see, the file is very big, 125 MB or 126 MB. And this we cannot simply give it to ChatGPT because it's such a big attachment, right? So I'm going to launch Automator. And in the Automator, I'll create a new workflow. In here, I have files option, which is ask finder for items. First item, that's I'm gonna drag and drop over here, right? We don't need multiple selection for now. We're gonna start with just one selection. What next? After that, I want to resize the video or compress the video. So for that, we switch to movies, and in that you can see that we have an option here, encode media. Let's drag and drop that over here. In here, encode media, choose the lowest one. So out of all of these options, the lowest one is this, 480p. I'm selecting that. Now I'm hitting the run button. So which video do we want to use? I want to use this video. So I'm going to drag and drop that over here so that it gets selected automatically. So the step number 1 is going to get executed. And after that, the step number 2 is the encoding part. So it's going to take this video and encode it. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and make sure that you don't take this if you want to keep your original file, because if you enable this, then it's going to delete the source file after the processing, which in my case I don't want it. So you can see that now we have two files over here. One is this, which is the original file having 126 MB size, and the other one is as low as 33 MB. So this is the file I'm gonna give it to AI. So let's open ChatGPT, and in that I'm saying that create chapters for this video which I have attached so that I can add it to YouTube description for viewers. Clicking on the plus, clicking on the add files and folders, and in that switching to basics and locating the file that I want to attach. This is the file that we want to attach having 33 MB. With that, it's going to start the upload process, and in a couple of seconds the video would be uploaded. Now that video is uploaded, I can hit the send button. In a couple of seconds, it's going to generate the chapters for me, which I can copy and paste into the video details. So I'm going to video details, and in that I'll open two different sections. So here we have show more section, and in that I'll switch to the category, I guess, video language, category. So category, in that I will switch to education, and in that I will switch to how to. In that academic system, I'm gonna set to none, and level would be beginner because this is Python basics, right? It's for beginners. So now let me see, it's all generated for me. So I'm gonna copy this, switching back to YouTube. Into the how to section, I'm putting this, and just like that I'm also going to put it in the description. So I'll add one more section here, description, and one more section here called chapters. And with that, we are all set. Hitting the save button, and let's see how that video looks like in the YouTube. Hitting the view on YouTube button, pausing it, clicking on more, and you can see we have the chapters in our video. So this is how you can add chapters in your video without doing too much. And you can see that we have successfully generated chapters in the video. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, the work we have done. You enjoyed, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.